wait for Amalfitana to settle down. To put the blinds back on. So they're set. And they are away and racing for the second race of the afternoon, the Arezzo Handicap. Almost an even start by all the 5 runners. And Hart just finds herself in front on the outside. Now Amalfitana decides to take up the running good, about 2.5 lengths clear. In third there is Garth. Not too far away there is Cool Daddy. Last of 5 there is The Presence. They take the first turn past the 1600 and enter the back stretch now. Amalfitana continues to bowl along in front, who's about 3.5, 4 lengths clear. In second there we got Hart, Garth in second. In third there is Hart. For the back in the field there is Cool Daddy, who in turn about 3 parts of length clear of The Presence. A little over 1100 to go, and Amalfitana about 4.5, 5 lengths clear of Garth in second. About 2.5 lengths behind there is Hart. A length and a quarter, 2 lengths behind there is Cool Daddy, who in turn is about a neck clear of The Presence. They approach and pass the halfway point, and Amalfitana's lead has been cut down to about 2.5 lengths by Garth in second. In third there is Hart. About 2.5 lengths behind there we got Cool Daddy. And the format hasn't really changed, continues to give them a slight long start. There is The Presence. The pace looks like it's picking up as they enter the last 600, and it's Amalfitana joined by Garth, and Hart is the one who's moving up very stylishly on the outside and goes into the lead. At the top of the home straight, its Hart has been taken to the front by Pete Trevor. In second there we got Cool Daddy, and Garth is fading out of it. But into the last 300 with Hart is about 4.5, 5 lengths clear, and this is going to turn out into a procession with the jockey having a look over his shoulder. He can ease up, long way from home. Hart wins it very comfortably, almost a distance in front of. In second there is Cool Daddy. In third there is The Presence. Then we went back to Garth. Last of all there was Amalfitana.